Let's make some money again, guys. As you can see on my wallet right now, I have 11,589 USDT. This is my Binance balance right now. Okay, as you see, I'm refreshing so that you can be sure it's not fake. And to be sure that this USDT is not fake coins, I'll click on assets right now, and you can see how I am doing withdrawals and deposits. So it's a real account and operating. All right, so why am I showing you this balance? Because I am about to show you a trading strategy that can turn your little capital into such kind of capital that I'm having on my wallet. And what is the strategy, guys, I'm talking about? The strategy is called crypto arbitrage. Crypto arbitrage is simply buying USDT low on exchange 1 and selling it high on exchange 2. Okay, guys, so what is crypto arbitrage in real life? Crypto arbitrage in real life, guys, it's like buying a cement in Uganda or in Nigeria or in US or in Germany and selling it back to Africa at a higher price. You buy it low there and you sell it here. So today we are going to buy USDT, of which I already have on my wallet here, and we are going to sell it on the other exchange. Okay, the other exchange, guys, is called trexbig.com. Remember, guys, before we proceed, this video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you do exactly what I am doing. All right, so let's embark on this, guys. So the first step, guys, you need to have USDT on your Binance, your Bybit, your BitGet, or any exchange that you have. All right, after you have your USDT on your exchange, the next step, guys, is to find this popular exchange right now called trexbig.com. Trexbig.com. This is the exchange you need to find. So this is the exchange you need to find. As you can see, it's called trexbig.com. You just go to your browser and type trexbic.com, and then you land on the exchange. Okay, remember, guys, there are people on Google also. So guys, let's continue. After you have created your Trexbig account, guys, as you can see, this is my Trexbig account. I still have 300.5 USD inside. So after you create your Trexbig account, the next step, guys, you need to have funds in your Binance. So we are going to use the funds on Binance to trade on Trexbig, and we are going to withdraw even the balance that is here. Okay, so how do you spot the arbitrage opportunity? To spot the arbitrage, guys, let's go. I'll show you in a step. You click on the three dots in your account after you logged in, and then you go to P2P market. Okay, so today we are going to do what we call buy USDT. So I'll choose USDT here. Okay, and guys, you need to find a vendor with at least 0.1, 0.8. This one, see this one, this is the vendor that we are going to use. Is called Chino Obi. So you are going to find a vendor with the, if you're buying, you need to find a vendor with the at least 0.8. So even Amara Diallo, Zara Okonko, I think today they are very, I mean, there's time that the price fluctuates and you can't even find any, but today the price are there and the opportunities to make some profit are there. So let me choose Amara Diallo and I'll click on buy, and then, guys, you put amount you want to buy. If say you want to buy amount worth 500 USDT, you see, if you buy 500 worth of USD, you'll get back 500 worth of 622 worth of USDT. After fees, you're going to get 609. That's almost 109 in profit. So that's your difference. Okay, and then the next step, you click to with purchase, and then you click pay, and then confirm the order. All right, it's very easy. And so, guys, at this page now, you can see you're told to send USDT to TRC20 address. This is the TRC20 address that you need to send the USDT to, which is 500.00. okay, so guys, I'll click copy the address, and I'll go back to my Binance, and I'll click on assets, and then I'll click on send. I'll choose withdraw crypto, and then guys, I'll choose USDT, and then I'll choose along press the address here, and I'll choose the network is TRX TRC20 as it is there, and amount I'll go and put 501.3 because of 1.3 will be the network fee. Okay, and then guys, I'll click on withdraw. All right, at this step now you need to put your passkeys. Remember to hide your passkeys always for security reasons. So I'm going to put my passkeys first. So I'll put my passkeys. Your passkeys are your own credential. Do not show anyone your passkeys, guys. So now I'm putting my passkey, and you see the withdrawal is processing. So now guys, I'll click on view history here, and I'll click on USDT. You can see it's now processing. Okay, it's very easy like that. So the next step now guys, you need to go back to your trade on a Trexbeak, and you need to scroll down here until you find this button called I have paid. You need to click it after only you have paid. Okay, I'll now click the have paid. Once you click I have paid, guys, now the system will automatically merge you with the vendor, and you can also chat with the vendor here. Hello, I have paid, please release. Very easy. And so guys, now you go back to trade details, and you can see the vendor hasn't replied yet. Sometimes they reply fast, sometimes they don't. So I'll just keep on holding the trade. It must be automatically be completed in 1 or 2 minutes to come. Okay, so let's wait for the trade to be completed, and here it is, guys. The trade has been automatically completed. Now I am expecting to receive 609 on my wallet, so I'll go click on done, and you see now I have 910. Okay, because I did a trade and received 609 plus 300 that I had. Now I have 910. Okay guys, so the next step, guys, after now you have done that, you need now to withdraw your earnings. You can withdraw all your capital, you can withdraw with only the profits and repeat trading, or guys, you can also choose not to withdraw and keep on trading until you make some good profit. But for me, I'll show you how to withdraw. You need to click on crypto wallet, then click withdraw, and guys, I'm going to choose to withdraw. You can see my spot has 299 and my funding has 610. So what I need to do, I'll withdraw just all of it, 610 that I have made from my funding wallet, and I'll click continue to address. You see, the reason why I can't withdraw all of them is because the other one is on spot wallets, but I don't need to withdraw it because I'll have to use it to trade later. So I'll choose the funding wallet, and then I'll choose all of it, and then I'll click continue to address. And guys, at this step now, I'll go back to my Binance like this, and then I'll click on add funds, deposit crypto, USDT, and then I'll choose TRX, and I'll copy this address of mine, and I'll go paste it here on the recipient address, and then I'll click also must match this one. I'll repeat the address down here, and then I'll click on review. So now guys, this is the step now to verify your email. You see, they have said that you must verify your email, the code sent to your email to verify the withdrawal, because some hackers might get your account and withdraw all your funds. So there's a protection for that. So the next step, I'll now go to my email and take the code. So guys, I'll copy the code right now, copy like that, and then I'll come back here guys and paste it and then confirm withdrawal. It's very easy like that. And you see now the withdrawal is processing. As you can see, the withdrawal in progress. Right, so let's wait for the withdrawal to be credited back to my Binance wallet. As you can see, they have already given me a Tron scan view. I can view the withdrawal on the blockchain. As you can see, this is a 588 that I'm going to receive after fees. So see, it's successful, but it's not confirmed, so it should be confirmed within a minute now. Usually it takes very few seconds, so let's just wait for it. You can see guys, I did a withdrawal of 610 and I'm going to receive 588. Remember, I deposited 500, so that's to mean after fees I'm getting 88.65 USDT as the profit of this trade today. So it's not like sitting just like that at home without doing anything. It's very worth doing. Okay, so you can see now the withdrawal has been completed. Okay, so now the next step, I'll go back to my Binance and check whether it has arrived. Refresh. You see it's here processing, it's incoming. I think it has already confirmed now. Yes, you see now I have 11,679 because I did receive 588.65. okay, so guys, that's how you simply trade on a crypto arbitrage. And guys, remember, you can also trade on trexbit.com using AI bots. There are AI bots here. You can also use them to trade. There are free bots here. They are free. There are also paid pro bots, elite bots, with each one with the different earnings. And also we have AI bots here. Free of them are there. You can see like this AI bot called Neuropulse AI. It has a return of 12.66% daily, so you also need to embrace on that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video guys. Make sure you also join my Telegram channel once you come to my TikTok account, because you'll watch this video on my TikTok. This is my TikTok account with 72.5k subscribers. You can click on this link here to join my Telegram channel. On my Telegram channel guys, I have 43,000 subscribers and above, almost 44,000. Here I teach people on how to trade for free, and also here you will also find my referral link that you can register with on trexbit.com. And also guys, you can also join, you watch my videos on YouTube like this one. Once you find the link there, you can come to my YouTube where I have see guys, I have 466k subscribers on my YouTube. And you can also come watch my videos on YouTube and learn slowly until you understand everything. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a lovely week ahead. Love you and cheers.